Hello everyone, in this lesson we will first do the update process. Let's write the codes required for the update process. Go to controller and we need http get public action result update product. Okay, we need int id. We also need the categories to be listed during the update process. That's why we should write our code for the add process here. So this here. We can copy and paste. Okay. Var product values underscore product service dot tget by id and return view product values. Okay, and we need http post public action result update product space product. Okay, and underscore product service dot t update for product return redirect to action, go to product list with category. Good. Right click update product, add view, razor view, and you can choose use a layout page, add click. Our view is creating. We can copy the codes for the add process here. There should only be an ID value. In addition, the others are exactly the same. Go to create product and Ctrl A, right click, copy and delete this here, paste. Okay, you can delete this here. Add model is product. Good. Close and again open, right click, go to view products, add product instead of update product, update product page or panel. Okay, update product panel, this instead page. Okay, product name, product stock, product price, product material, product description and product category. Okay, and we need ID, input type is hidden, and ASP-4 product ID. Okay, good. Go to product list with category and Ctrl Shift W, and let's try this here. Okay, and update. Okay, you can see our products is red, our product values is ready. We can change product stock, delete 500 682. Okay, we must change button name, and you can see where is it, 682. Okay, we can change our button name, update product, and our product class is success. Okay, good. Okay, this part is also working successfully. Now before moving on to the other processes, we can fix our icon list on the left. For this, let's open the view page. Where can the icon list, share it, and sidebar component partial and default. Okay, close tabs, and this here categories. You can go to fontawesome.com. Categories we can use, for example, we can use car. Why not? We can use car, fast space, far hyphen car. Okay, far hyphen car. We can try it. Control Shift W. I'm waiting for open. And you can see our icon is ready. And second, we need product. We can use for product is cubes. Okay, cubes. Go to icon list and cubes. You can change. Slider, where is slider? Slider is slider. Cutlery, why not cutlery? Okay. And about us is driver license for ID card. Maybe it does not work. Feature, our website feature is flag. And customer comments, I see comments. Where is comments? Okay, this is comment. This is comment. File space, file hyphen comment. Okay. Message inbox and message sandbox. We can envelope open and we can envelope and we can envelope all. Okay, and message sandbox envelope hyphen all. Okay, contact, we can phone icon. Where is it? Control F, phone. Other. Okay, this is phone. Okay, only phone. And social media, we can puzzle pies. Okay, and settings, we can recycle. For settings, we can use recycle for settings. And log out, no, exit, close. Okay, close, we can close icon, window close, and hyphen window hyphen close. Okay, we can try it. Control Shift W. I'm waiting. And as you can see, category, product, about us, feature, customer, comment, message, inbox. Okay, some icons are not come. Slider, we can change slider. Grow, we can try, which is slider. Okay, and go to default, grow, Control Shift W again, try, and no. Okay, not problem. Book for slider, book. Okay, which is other, message sandbox and social media, Diamond and message sandbox, Control F, email, mail, no, message, no, okay, call, map, okay, we can map. Diamond, uh, for social media, and map, map, copy and message sandbox. Okay, try it. Ctrl Shift W. I'm waiting for open, and okay, only social media is not working. We can use language. Try it. Where is it? Social media. Where is it? Hyphen FA hyphen. Ctrl Shift W. And okay, all icon list is ready. Good. We don't have any problem. Okay, good. Thank you for watching this video. See you next lesson. Have a good day. Have a good time.